welcome to. Huh?
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite good one. Problem 2. 8. You got it. Problem 3. 2 minus 6 equals... I can't believe it. You're incredible. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button. Problem 1. 8 plus you're doing fantastic. I can't believe...
Oh, it sounds like my package is here. Hooray!
Oh...
No running in the halls. "15 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better."
Looks like it's sweeping time.
I wanna play with someone. Let's play.
Sweep! Sweep!
I wanna play with someone.
Gotta sweep! Gotta sweep! Gotta sweep!
Attention student, get Baldi to the hospital right now.
No running in the halls.
Doctor, is Mr. Baldi going to be okay?
Yes, he will be fine. So basically someone threw a package at his head. Now your friend Baldi is in a coma?
Is Baldi going to oof?
No, he will not oof.
Is there a way to bring him out of the coma?
Well, you need to bring something that he really wanted. You need to go inside Baldi's head to get the one thing that he wants. He will be dreaming though.
Sounds simple enough.
Come on guys, let's go get Baldi out of this coma.
Can't believe.
Oh, it sounds like my package is here. Hooray!
Oh.